Today we will learn how to draw a population pyramid. Okay, if you need to draw a population pyramid, usually you can find a table like this. Okay, and usually you can find different columns with different ages, and we will divide into male and female. Okay, and also this part you can find the other age group with male and female. Okay, so let's start to do it. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, you can find x-axis here and y-axis here. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to write down the percentage of total population for the x-axis. Okay, remember to write down the unit here. Okay, and let's write down percentage of total population. Okay, all right. Okay, so the second thing, you can find the y-axis here, and usually you can find it is in the middle, and you can find different boxes here. Okay, actually what you have to write should be follow the age group in the table. Okay, and then we can start to do it. Okay, so in this question, we give you 0 years old to 4 years old. That means the first age group. Okay, we give you the second age group, third age group, and then the fourth age group. Okay, follow that, and then you have to write should be 20 to 24. Okay, it must be 4 at the end. Okay, so the next age group should be 25 to 29. Okay, and then let's continue 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, and then 50 to 54, 55 to 59, okay, 60 to 64, 65 to 69, okay, 70 to 74, 75 to 79. Okay, so for the last one, you just need to write down 80 plus. Okay, please remember to write down the plus here. Okay, so after that, what you have to do, okay, so you can find some dotted line here. Actually, it shows you the percentage, okay, of total population vertically. Okay, so it let you easier to draw the bars easier. Okay, all right, so the second thing is that you have to prepare 1 blue pen and 1 red pen. You can either use red or you can use pink. Okay, so why you have to use 2 different colors? Because they represent male for blue, okay, and red for girl. Okay, so for the right hand side here, okay, you can find the word male, and as this part is represent the population of male, that's why you have to use blue pen, okay, and the other side should be for female, okay, so that's why you have to write it down here, okay. Female, okay, so please also write it down, okay, name it here, okay. After that, you have to use red color or pink, okay, to draw the bars, okay. Let's start from the male part first, okay. Okay, and how to draw the bars? Usually, of course, you need a ruler, okay. Alright, you have to follow the table. Just now you have the table, right? And then you can see, okay, we provide the first two group, the bars for first two group for you, okay, and the third part, okay, you have to follow the numbers in the table, okay, just like this one, okay. As we are going to draw male's population in China, okay, so that's why you have to see this column, okay. Alright, and as we are going to draw age group 10 to 14, so according to the table, so the percentage of the male population should be 3.4, okay. And let's come back to the population pyramid, okay, and from here you can see the population, percentage of population here, the numbers are shown here, okay. So you have to mark it first. 10 to 14 should be 3.4, okay. So you can mark, either you can mark a dot here, I think you can also mark a cross here, okay, 3.4 here, okay. And then of course use a blue ball pen, and of course you need the ruler, okay, to draw a bar like this, okay. Okay, alright, this is the first bar, okay, and let's go back to the fourth group, okay, should be 15 to 19, right, okay, and you have to see the number, should be here, 3.8, right, okay, you can follow the same step, okay, for the other age group, okay. Alright, so just follow it, and then mark a cross here, okay, 3.8 should be here, okay, and then you can see 20 to 24 years old, should be 3.8 again, okay. Alright, how about 25 to 29? Should be 3.2. Okay, should be here. Okay, 30 to 34. 30 to 34. Should be 3.3. Okay. Alright. 35 to 39, okay, and then you have to continue until 80 plus, okay, so let's start to do it, okay, 45, 49, should be 4.5, here, and here, should be 4.8, okay, 35 to 39, 45 to 49 should be here. Okay. 3.6. Okay, 55 to 59 should be 3.4. Okay, and 60 to 64 should be 2.4. Okay, and then this one should be 1.7. Okay, this one 1.4. This one is 0.9, and 80 should be 0.7. Okay, so you just finished the first step here. Okay, so actually the second step, all right, use the ruler, okay, to draw the bar chart now. Okay, remember, okay, the line should link up with the age group boxes. Okay, okay, let's continue. So you can see the bars here, okay, for female population. Okay, so after you have drawn the bars here, okay, the first step is that you need a blue highlight pen, okay. Okay, so you have to color the bars, each of them carefully. Okay, so just remind you, okay, for blue color we represent male population, and then you can use pink or red to represent female population. Okay, make sure you color every bars in the same way, that means in the same pattern. Okay, that means, for example, if I don't have highlight pen here, okay, I would like to use a blue ball pen. So at the same time, okay, you can use you can draw the lines here, okay, but it should be in the same pattern for every bars, okay. Okay, yeah. So make sure you use the same pattern for every bars. Okay. Okay. So either you can use highlight pen, okay, it is more convenient to use highlight pen, or you can use, if you do not have highlight pen, you can use scribble pen to draw some lines here, okay. Alright, make sure they're in the same pattern, okay. So if you finish the male part, okay, so later we will repeat the same way as the female part, okay. Okay, last time we finished the male part, okay, and then now let's repeat the same way of female part, okay. So the first thing is that you have to look at the table again, and this time as you are going to draw the population of the female by using red ball pen, okay. So that's why you have to see the number here, okay, in this column. So let's go back to the population pyramid, okay. So in the y-axis you can see the numbers here which represent the percentage of total population, okay. And then that's why as the population pyramid divide into male and female, that's why the y-axis is in the middle, okay. So let's see, it is the same. The first two group, the bars of the first two group has been provided, okay. So that's why we have to see the third group, that means 10 to 14, okay. So as we have to repeat the same step, okay, that means you have to mark the total population percentage for each age group, okay. So let's start to do it, okay. For 10 to 14 should be 2.9, okay. 15 to 19 here should be 3.4, 20 to 24, 3.8, 25 to 29 should be 3.2, okay. 30 to 34 should be 3.4 again. 35 to 39 should be 4.6. 40 to 44 4.9. 45 to 49 should be 4. Okay. 50 to 54 3.6. Yeah. 55 to 59 3.4 again. 60 to 64 2.4. 65 to 69 1.7. 70 to 74 1.4. 75 to 79. Should be 1. Okay, 80 plus 0.9. Yes. Okay, so after you finish, oh, sorry. Okay, after we have finished the dotted here, the dots here, okay, so can you remember the second step? The second step should use the ruler. You must use the ruler. If you didn't use the ruler in your exam, okay, or in your homework, okay, you may lose a lot of marks, okay? Alright, so the second step is that use the ruler to draw the bars of each age group, okay? And make sure the line of the bar should link up with the line in the age group boxes. Yes. Okay, so you have finished all the bars here. Okay. As we use red pen here, either you can use, I've told you, either you can use red bubble pen, okay, or okay, pink highlight pen, okay. So it is more convenient to use highlight pen to color every bars. Okay. Okay, make sure either you can color all the bars or draw the lines by using red ball pen. Okay. Okay, so we have finished the male and the female part. Okay, so the last step, okay, you should write down the title, okay, title above the population pyramid. Okay, so where can you find the title? Usually you can find it in the question. Okay, you just need to copy it back from the question. Okay, so remember to add the population pyramid of China in 2009. Okay, all right, so remember to write the year. Okay, all right, the last step. Okay, you also need to write down age group on the top of y-axis. Okay, so let's revise this once again. Okay, the first step of drawing population pyramid is that you have to draw the numbers here. Okay, for the y-axis, and make sure you draw the unit percentage. For the x-axis, okay, and x-axis is represented by percentage of total population. Okay, so you have to write here. Okay, how about the y-axis? Okay, y-axis, you have to write down all the age groups. Okay, and the number at the end usually should be 4 or 9. 4 or 9. Okay, so make sure the number is correct, the age group is correct. Okay, at the end, so you have to write down plus. Okay, at the end. Okay, that means 18 to 100 years old or more than 100 years old. Okay, the population for more than 18 years old. Okay, so for the left hand side, it represents male part, and that's why you have to write male here. Okay, for the right hand side, you have to write down male here, female here, female here. Okay, all right, so you have to find the numbers, okay, from the table. If you need to draw the male population, okay, followed by the age group, okay, and then find the population percentage here. Okay, and then mark a dot here. All right, okay, if you finish marking all the dots for each age group, then you can start to use a ruler to draw all the bars. Okay, after you draw it, okay, use a highlight pen, okay, to color all the bars. Okay, if you do not have highlight pen, you can use blue ball pen to draw lines here. Okay, you just need to do one of them. Okay, so for the female part, you have to do the same way. Alright, okay, follow the same way. Alright, and then at last, okay, write down the title and age group. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you.